Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let's talk about Wix Vibe. Now this is one of the easier ways to build a website very quickly. Now this is powered by Wix itself, where you can go ahead and use AI to go ahead and create something for you. So we can go ahead and start describing what our website would look like, and AI would go ahead and generate the content for you. So when you go ahead into Wix Vibe, which is still currently in beta, you can go ahead and log in if you would like, and then you can go ahead and start describing what your website is going to be about. So say for example, I want to create a site, barbers, and pricing options. There we go. So you can go ahead and click on add in here, which allows you to add in your images that you would like. You can also go ahead and choose your style right here. So there are a few options which gives you a rough idea of what these could look like in terms of, say for example, the different color schemes, the different designs, and so on and so forth. So these are kind of like agents. So these are AI agents that create something for you, and they give you a bit of headings as well in terms of what kind of theme that they are looking for. Now this is quite similar to a normal prompt in here. Once that you're happy, you can go ahead and click on this to add the prompt. Or if you have, if you just want to test out a few different projects, there are some ideas right here as well. But I'm going to go ahead and click on this and see how it goes. Again, the more details that you go ahead and add, the more features it will go ahead and create. So go ahead and plan well in terms of what kind of website you want to create. And here is the output of the AI itself right now. So it's given me a blueprint for a barber website. And right now, because I didn't give it a barber name, it will go ahead and create one for you. So it's just called Barber Spot with the recommended domain barberingspot.com. This is an overview of what the app is going to be about, or what the site is going to be about. And these are the design details and a few key features, structures, which is, homepage, barber profile, and contact form. If you're happy with this, you can go ahead and click generate site, or you can go ahead and adjust a few things. If you want to, say for example, change the site name, you can just go ahead and click edit blueprint. Now, once that you're happy, go ahead and click generate, and it will go ahead and generate the Wix editor for you. So this is being developed within the Wix ecosystem. So if you are familiar with Wix, all this does is, it's a website. You're able to go ahead and generate all of the front end, such as, what the customers can see, as well as adding in some back end as well. So say for example, if you want to do some form of booking system, you can go ahead and do so. So let's just go ahead and allow AI to generate our website for us. And as you can see, it all just came from a prompt. There's not a lot of coding involved. And again, the more ideas or the more details that you give it, the better and more tailored the website will be. And there you go. So after the AI has generated the website, as you can see, it has gone through all of the different parts in here. So it's gone through, starting the actual barber website with features, adding service management system, the homepage, the barbershop page, the barbershop detail page, any service page, contact page, and of course the routing system. So it's basically created the entire website just from a prompt itself. Now, if you want to make a few changes as well, you can go ahead and do so by communicating again with the AI itself. And of course, there is this right here which says AI can make mistakes. So go ahead and double check the entire thing. But if we go ahead and take a look at our website that was created just now, you can see it has created a fully functional website for us. So we have our main page or home page right here. And we have our all different sections, such as the different barbershops, the services, and the contact. So it seems what has been created right here is an entire business of all of the different barbershops available from Barbercraft, which is the name of the business itself. And it gives you a few signature services as well. So of course, your classic haircuts, beard trim and shape, haircut and beard combo, and then the other locations as well. It has also preloaded in some images right here, as well as the details themselves. So as you can see, this is a fully working website right here. So if you go ahead and click on all of the links themselves, you can see that is all fully functional. But again, I would recommend going through all of it because AI could make a few mistakes. But if you go ahead and even click on book now, as you can see, so this link doesn't work at the moment. So, again, there's a few things that you can go ahead and do. Now, if you take a look at what the dashboard look like, again, once that you've created the website, these are all of your typical Wix dashboard where you can go ahead and change a few setups if you want, because this is all about creating a business. So you have not just created a website, you have also created a business section where you can go ahead and update all of this, such as your site type, your custom domain, any integrations that you would want to, for example, with the website and SEO, the mobile apps, logo branding, marketing details, you can go ahead and take a look in here. Now, if you want to take a look at the code as well, this is what it has automatically created. Of course, if you are on the techie side, you can go ahead and make the changes in here. Now, once that you're happy, you can go ahead and click on publish. And there you go. Your website is all set up just from one prompt. Again, do make sure to add more details and go ahead and play around with the AI itself to be able to get all of the different connections all set up, such as all of these buttons right here. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.